How to find saved videos on YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can find saved videos on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to find saved videos on YouTube, let's say you went ahead and then opened up YouTube. You happen to add a certain video to watch later by simply opening it up like this, and then you tapped on the save option over there, and when you tapped on the save option you added them to your watch later, right? So you just tap on the save option and then added them to your watch later. Now to find these saved videos, what you have to do is come to your profile icon from the bottom right, then under playlist go to view all. Then here you can see watch later. Here you'll be able to see the video that you have set or added to your watch later list. Similarly, if you had created other playlists, you would be able to also find those. So this way you will be able to find the saved videos on YouTube. I hope that this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.